Guys, for the most part, I am ready like ready. Hope you enjoyed the video and it helps you make your decisions. Okay guys, I'm gonna go get ready now. You're gonna see me change into a fabulous mommy. So I'll use the NYX foundation. I don't like foundation on my face at all. I'll put it here by my raccoons. I have dark circles around my eyes, so I tend to put a dab. I don't like to waste my concealer because it's expensive to get NARS and Tarte, and this will help me save my concealer because it's so lightweight, it's buildable, and it's very inexpensive. I think it's like $12 for this as opposed to the $30 concealers. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do yet. Hope the inspiration comes to me. But I have a fit that I have to take photos in. So I'm trying to do the quickest beat of my life. I don't know how it's gonna work, but you guys are gonna witness it happen. I want to do this in 20 minutes. So I have enough time to take the photos I need to take, the selfies, and my boyfriend wakes up in like 40 minutes. So I need to hurry up. We had to go to the gym because the gym finally opened up in New York. So that boy is super excited. I like the gym, but I work at home for vacation. That's the one I go to the gym. That's when you see I got a cold and it messed up my whole video, but it's cool. I don't like overly done makeup before. I don't like foundation or anything like that. Especially if you have good skin. I had it in my life, but as I started getting older, I would get these random adult acne moments. I started consuming a lot of candy again, sugar. I was even drinking mad water and it still wasn't helping, and then I realized it was diet based. Ever since I switched my diet over, went back to being a pescatarian and having my sea moss smoothies, a lot of fruits and vegetables, I have not seen a breakout since. So I recommend that to everyone. But I also don't want to cake my face or just put too much stuff on my face because I don't want to block my pores. But see, eyebrows done. I like a natural looking brown, you know. I'm trying to actually avoid you guys seeing my room because back there's the outfit, but to find the outfit took a moment. So I made my vanity room a little hot messy. Well, my friends call this room the department store because it looks like a department store apparently. My whole life I have so much of everything: belts, accessories, lashes, eyeshadows, just everything, because I want when an event comes up, you know, people rush to the mall to find that right fit that they need. I want my closet to embody that. I always wanted that, and that's what I made for my life. So as I got older, the universe supplied me with the space to fit them. So right now, this is my department store. I'll give y'all a tour of the vanity room in another video. This is a second video from when I did the Glamnetic nails. I just put these on. These are the new press-on nails from Glamnetic for their birthday collection they sent me. They were so sweet. They asked me to pick two that I wanted. Oh, I need to hurry up. We gotta go. I wanna have a hint of blue in my eyes, maybe underneath. It does bring out brown eyes too. This is my color pop. I have a custom palette. I have a bunch of palettes. I'm gonna start with Nana as a base. Nana, what's your name? Oh, Nana, what's your name? Baby, you got me. That's the name, Nana. Excuse the mess. You know, these things fall. Oh, Rihanna. That's my name. Rihanna with a new music, girl. I don't even press Rihanna. Like, listen. Bring the music when you're ready, girl. You're building your empire. Do what makes sense at the time it makes sense to do. Don't rush nothing. That's what I believe in. Being patient and allowing things to come when they're supposed to come. I had to learn that. Last year I learned that. It was me trying to rush and get all these things done, and I started developing anxiety from it. Trying to figure out what I need to do, when I need to do it. I had all these ideas. I wanted to bring my jewelry line back. I wanted to go back to school. I wanted to start a new job. I wanted to move. I wanted to try traveling nursing. I wanted to get into modeling and act. It was just a list. It was just beyond me. As I told you guys, I'm freestyling. Right now I'm using the NYX's this. I'm just seeing whatever color pops in my head and it says go, and we're gonna just go. You know, that's what we're doing, just going with the flowing. So I mix NARS and Fenty. I honestly don't know, because summertime your face color changes. So this is Biscuit and NARS. I like to put the darker one here because, as I said, I have dark circles. But I also don't like using too much. As you know, I don't want the face to be kicky. Oh, you know what I forgot to do, guys? Put moisturizer. Good thing I'm not going out. This is just for quick photos. And I have to go to the gym, so that's why it's even a quicker beat. Don't you hate wasted makeup? I don't do this, but this is the only time I can fit this in with my work schedule. Serious, but as I was saying, you just gotta be patient and take your blessings as they come and know that things will start unfolding and you'll start figuring your life out when it's time. Everything unfolds, so just be patient and try to remain still. I know it's hard because you're like, what am I gonna do? There's certain factors in people's lives that would hinder that from being an option, but I'm telling you, if you just keep faith and you know in your heart what you really truly desire and what you truly want, there's no reason that things won't happen for you. Remain good, remain positive, remain good to others, give to others. This world needs to learn how to give to others and show love to other people. We're all here doing the same thing, trying to learn life in the same way, you know? So I just learned patience is so important. And so many things that I wanted is happening the way they're supposed to happen, in the order that they're happening in. Makes the most sense. I was confused on how to process the order and what to do. Ooh, I have a mirror right in front of me. A Zoom mirror that goes on the mirror. It's my vanity. I'll show it to you guys. My vanity. What's happening here? Back to the regular scheduled program. But yeah. So just be patient. Even this YouTube, I wanted to start this YouTube channel that I'm making a video for. I don't know what month this is gonna come out, but month that it is now, guys, is September. So I wanted to start this YouTube from last year. I've been vlogging all my trips because I'm always on a trip. So I vlogged my Bali, Thailand, my Mexico, California. I vlogged every vacation. I vlogged this whole vanity room. It was never even a vanity room till like March, April. This whole room, the process and journey, that wooden thing back there was brown. I painted it white. Everything in this vanity room was a storage room with an extra bed that I took out. Just mad things happened. I have that whole process that needs to be uploaded. I have not done that. It's just like balancing work, nursing and stuff, and the time that I do have, I just want to come home and mentally de-stress from all the energies I take, all the experiences. That has been a factor too, along with now that COVID is easing up, opportunities. Like my life was busy before. I usually always going to events. I head into the city for something and just doing some activity, something fun. Those things are starting to come back into play. I've been doing a few video shoots and photo shoots, and I have things in the works. So I have to also take my self-care time to like mentally have a break from things, get to sit down and just watch anime, watch my shows, you know, it's very important. So the YouTube journey is another journey that I'm also being patient on, because it's gonna come when it should come. And that's just how I feel about everything. For the most part, I'm not doing the crazy thing on my eyes because they're not really gonna see it. It's mostly my hair that needs to get done. A little contour, my Fenty Beijing bronzer. I'm going to the beach tomorrow, so we gotta get bronzed today. Probably feel like I'm gonna be putting music in the back and talking over. Who knows? Probably talking to you guys. Call this one Mo Chat. I'm getting used to not talking to anybody that's actually here in the moment. Oh, this generation. Okay. Alright, so that's what our bronzer is. We don't go crazy on anything. I like to do a little bit of blush with my Fenty. Cause what? This is my blush. You know what I'm saying? Such a good little blush. This is the more mattish side, the Ginger Binge, and the Moscow Mule has a little more glitz and glam to it. My blush brush. Say that fast 3 times. My blush brush, my blush brush, my blush brush. Damn. Say it 5 times. My blush brush, my blush brush, my blush brush, my blush brush, my blush brush. Damn. Okay, so we dab because it's potent. You know how Fenty is pigmented. I mean, I don't know what she's doing out here. Some say let this girl be. She trying to come out with stuff that's good for y'all. Y'all don't want no bad products. Leave her favorite highlight of all time. Go-to highlight of all time. Girl next door. She freak. I'm kind of my bitch, yo. I'm telling y'all. When you see me, one day, remember I said this. My Pisces moon, we gonna be lit. We gonna be lit. We gonna put highlight where it needs to be put. Boom, 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 bye, party boy. Oh, sorry, guys, I don't mean to sing that. No offense at all. I'm Jamaican, so certain things are embedded in my memory. Boom, 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 boom. So we're coming together. Things are working out. Oh my God, I need to hurry up. I'm like, oh, I need to do more. No, we need to hurry up. This alarm about to ring in 5 minutes and this boy gonna get up and I'm not ready. Oh my God. Alright, we almost ready. That's all that matters. Almost definitely counts. You know, I said almost doesn't count. Almost definitely counts. I hear him stirring. Oh my God. Hurry up. He's waking up to take pictures for me, like my full bodies. But the fact that I'm not even ready, I was being cute, sleeping with my boo, and I lost track of time. It's always nice, you know, just a warm body next to you. Well, I get better sleep. He's around. That and my theta waves help. I just want a blue that's gonna match this hat back there. You see it? That is what I'm trying to match. Leaving in the painted front. Leave your man alone, sure. Do whatever y'all want. Whatever makes you happy. Like how I feel with you. Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. You got it. A girl hot. Between our lashes, we're having the Lucky, Luxe, or Verified. What you said? I know I didn't watch it yet. I was trying to get ready. No, not to the gym. I'm getting ready to take my photos. Don't forget. I was watching Hunter x Hunter, still paused. Not talking to you, baby. I was watching Hunter x Hunter, still paused. You saying you still paused this? So this is the Glamnetic eyeliner. I'm in a rush now, especially because he's late. So excuse any mistakes I make from this point. You're gonna put a line on your eye. I should have hurried up. I started talking to y'all, I talked to my friends, which is good, but bitch ain't have time for it. You know what bitch had time for? To get ready. Alright. So basically it's this simple. Lash, my real lash got stuck. Okay, so boom, done. It's on. See? Glamnetic pop. Do you see how it is on? Like pop. So you guys can see probably a little better. No, you can't. But it's on. Just like that. So now I'm just securing it and making sure the magnets touch the liner. Oh, guys, I just put liner in my eye. When your girl starts to rush, don't rush. It's like that. Magnetic lashes. I mean, I got a little thing right there because I blinked my eye just now. I got scared. But that is fine. That's an easy cleanup with this. And there you go. Put some more over it. And then boom. Like nothing ever happened. Like nothing ever happened. Alright, so yes, these are secure. And that's what I mean. They're so quick. Boom, boom, boom. Just make sure it's on. It's not like the whole strip where you're clicking your fingers to make sure it's secured. And you don't have to worry if anything's floating. It's like magnetically on it. Like boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Glamnetic. I have anchors to put on too, but I don't need them right now. Usually they give you the 2 anchors to put at the ends. if it's not secure. But one, I'm not going out, and two, it's secure. Like, it's good. It's not coming out. I can look and tell. You can see too, if this helps. So this is verified. It gives you a cat eye look. Verified is the more fluffy. Baby, turn that down. You see one break up? This is the mink. So I'm gonna go get ready. You're gonna see a full look in a second. Like, guys, for the most part, I am ready. Ready like ready. And some sparkle here. And there like swimwear. So I'm gonna show you my fit real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright guys, I'm out. Brooklyn. We go hard.